In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this Kawaii donut charm. First, you'll want to take some green clay and roll it into a ball. Then you'll want to flatten it just a bit, using your needle tool to make a hole in the middle. Also using a ball tool to make it the size you want. Then I'm using a toothbrush to texture the donut. If you have any dust or dirt in your clay, use a needle tool to get it out. For the top of the donut, I'm using some brown clay, rolling it out into a thin sheet, and then using a cookie cutter to cut it to the shape I want. Then you'll want to place this on the top of your donut, using the needle tool to poke a hole through the middle. Then adding an eye pin. Using a dotting tool, I make the indents for the eyes. Taking a piece of white clay, I roll it out into a small snake, cut 2 even pieces, roll into balls for the eyes. Then you'll want to put those in the indents you made on the donut. Roll out a very thin snake for the mouth. Putting it between the eyes. Using the needle tool to put it exactly where I want it. And for the gold pieces, I'm rolling out a thin snake, cutting into small pieces and rolling into small balls. Flattening those just a bit. Now you want to place them on the donut where you want them. Using some gold pigment powder, I'm brushing on to the yellow pieces to make it look like gold. Bake according to your package instructions. Now I'm glazing my charm with some UV resin. And then you'll want to put it under a UV lamp until it's hardened. This is your finished charm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.